Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a board template for your boards and projects on monday.com. So let us get started right away and show you how to do it. So head over to monday.com guys, and let's assume you would like to use one of your boards here in your workspace as a template for future projects and boards so that you don't have to create these boards over and over again from zero. So what you want to do guys is simply select your board you would like to use as a template here on the left panel, listed under your workspace, and click into these three dots here to the right, and after that click into save as a template. After that, go through a short setup. For example, you might get asked by monday.com whether you'd like to move the origin or duplicate the origin. So in this case here, you would keep the origin in the workspace and create a template from it, and here you would simply move from the workspace and create a template. So let me go, for example, with that option here, duplicate it, click on next here, and after that save it as a template type, for example, standard type template or managed template. However, that option is not available with my membership, so I will go standard template, which will allow me to edit, for example, this template, and that's basically it. So click on next here. After that, give your template a name. So I'll go with project template. Project management template sounds actually pretty accurate. And click on create template here to the right. Wait for the saving and exporting. It may take a moment. For example, if the given board takes up a lot of space and contains a lot of features and items. And after a brief moment, you'll be redirected to your template center, guys. So let me show you how you can access that template center. Let me close that here. So your template center can be accessed by clicking on these 9 dots in the top right and by selecting template center. So to find your created board or used as a template, you may simply switch from all templates here to created by the given users team or by yourself. So let me go with that one here. And here you will see your saved board as a template, so that you may left click onto it, use it as a template or edit it in a new tab. And that's basically it. Let me click on use template here. There you go. As you can see, it has been listed as a new board here on the left panel, but it features basically the same items and the same editing and settings as my initial board, so I have used it as a template. So now you can use it simply to edit and to customize it according to your own imagination and taste, and that's how you use your boards as templates on monday.com. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.